you're a busy person. We're all busy people, and busy people like you and me, we need quick and delicious recipes that aren't expensive or frustrating to make. Allow me to help. I've got 3 very quick and delicious lunch recipes for you guys. They are packed full of plant-based protein and nutrition, and I guarantee you probably have most, if not all, of the ingredients you need to make these recipes. And the great thing is that they don't require a high level of culinary expertise. Exhibit A. First up is this epic pesto pasta salad. Say that 10 times fast. Here's a really quick tip to help your pasta noodles not stick together if you're making this pasta the night before to chill in the fridge. Just add a couple tablespoons of oil to your boiling water before adding in your pasta, and this will prevent any of your noodles from clumping up together when they're chilling. We're gonna start off by adding our fresh basil into the bowl of a food processor or a high-speed blender. They can be a little bit wilted too. This pesto is great for wilting herbs and greens. Then we're gonna add some nutritional yeast for a somewhat cheesy and savory flavor, plus a couple cloves of garlic, and then we're going to add some sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. If you don't have those, you can also use walnuts. Really any nut that you have will be fine. And then we're going to add some olive oil. I'm probably using about 2 tablespoons, but you can always add a little bit more if you prefer a slightly creamier texture. And then just to help bring out all the flavors, we're going to add in some sea salt and some black pepper, and just for a little extra tang and acidity, I'm adding the juice of half a lemon. Sometimes I do a full lemon. It really depends on the size of the lemon or how zingy I want it to taste. You guys can adjust the seasonings and the flavors to your taste. Blitz it up until it's nice and creamy. Of course, there is going to be some texture because you added the seeds to it, which I personally like, but you can blitz it up until it's even creamier than what I've done today. And then at this point, we're just going to basically stir it until it's completely combined with the pasta noodles. You want to make sure every noodle is really thoroughly coated in the pesto, and it's just like so good. I really like the pasta that I used here. Rotini is so good for pasta salads because the spirals kind of lock in all the flavors of the pesto into the crevices of the noodle, I guess you could say. It's so good. And at this point, if you want to mix in any additional veggies or seasonings, you totally can here. I just topped my bowl with some fresh tomato and Kalamata olives and some cucumber, but you can add pretty much whatever you want. Red onion would be really good, any other kind of olive or bell peppers. You can kind of give it a Greek salad spin, if you will. It's just super customizable. It's so good for meal prep as well. It lasts in the fridge for like 5 days, so it's great for work or school lunches. Moving on to these delicious barbecue chicken Caesar wraps. I have this delicious Caesar dressing recipe that you can click right up here in my previous Caesar salad recipe video if you want to figure out how to make that. It's so good. And then I just air fried some soy curls with barbecue sauce. Super easy. Added some sliced cucumbers, and then I added some additional Caesar salad because, you know, if you're gonna make Caesar salad anyway, you could also just put it in a wrap. I added a little bit of vegan mozzarella, and it just makes it so good, so flavorful. This is just kind of like a very basic recipe that you, of course, could add more veggies in or less, depending on how you're feeling. And I just chose to quickly kind of grill mine just to seal the tortillas and to give it a little extra warmth because I like a nice warm wrap, but you do you. This was so good. Again, this is like such a quick, easy lunch for like whenever you're just on the go or you need something for work or school. I love it. This is such a great and delicious recipe that I hope you guys love. So good. Last up, we're making this delicious tofu ricotta pizza. You're like, I'm sorry, tofu ricotta, what? That's right. We're gonna use a vegan version of ricotta using tofu as the base for our pizza. It's so good, it's delicious, creamy, full of protein, so this makes for a great high protein lunch if you work out a lot. So add some tofu ricotta in place of pasta sauce, and then add whatever toppings you feel like. Don't judge me for my pizza toppings. I like to add so much to my pizza. It's kind of ridiculous. This, honestly, by the end is going to be a literal mountain. I don't know how I ate all this, but yeah. I added some soy curls as well because I had some leftover barbecue soy curls from a previous recipe, and this was so good. Add some vegan mozzarella cheese or whatever cheese you like, and yeah, here you go. This was a monstrous pizza and it was so good. And I'm telling you, the tofu ricotta bulks up this pizza unbelievably well. Like, this is so filling. It's way more filling than using just like a red pasta sauce, and I know you guys will love this. It's surprisingly good. Like, At first, when I tried making this, I really wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, but it's epic. This is like the only way I make pizza now. Yeah, it's massive. This one slice was like bigger than my head, but it's so filling, it's so good, and it's very healthy. If you just have any store-bought pizza crust or your homemade pizza crust, this works great. Pack it full of whatever veggies that your little heart desires and just go to town. This tofu ricotta is so epic. Again, please look at the recipe below. It's also in another video that I have on my channel right up here if you want a visual breakdown of how to make it. I hope you guys love this recipe. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in a comment down below if you have any questions, if this video was helpful for you. Give it a big like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I do not know what you are waiting for. I have a lot of great recipes and videos waiting for you to watch. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you hopefully in a future or past video. Bye!